We are back out at the house today. We've had kind of a slow week. A couple of us were feeling kind of sick, so we took it a little easy, but we've got our plywood now and one window installed back there, and we're gonna work on installing the rest of them today. We got one window in completely, and then we're finishing up this one, but we're out of tape, so we're headed to the store.
We don't need to buy any roofing nails.
No roofing nails, just tape. We'll be back.
So we put up the wall for the bedroom, and now we're going to work on putting up the rafters for the loft.
Might be a two-man job. After 2 trips to the hardware store and a little bit of refiguring, we've got both the lofts pretty much finished. So as you can see here, we changed the design over here just a little bit, but I think it's going to work out better.